Hey all, Steve here. Today, I know it's not airgun related, but today, this is shooting related. So today we got out the Scorpyd. This is Orion. This is the first year that the Orion was made. If you have never dealt with the Scorpyd crossbow, if you're into crossbows, you're not into crossbows, whatever, give them a look. They build some of the fastest bows on the planet. Comes with the best warranty. You know, this is a 150 pound model. That was the highest poundage available at that time. We're shooting some Bs. These are 465 grain, I believe. It's coming out of the bow roughly 385. Like I said, this is only a 150 model. So anyways, what we're going to be doing today is shooting related. We're going to do some long range shooting with the crossbow, of course off of a rest. So we're going to stretch it out to about 80 yards, shoot at an exploding golf ball, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. I want to give you a quick heads up. We'll just cock the bow real quick, get it back into the rest, and then we will proceed to shoot. Even though it is only a 150 pound draw, it's got a long draw cycle. So that's a bit to overcome. They do make a short cocker, they make a long cocker also. Long cocker, you're pretty much up here when you're drawing the bow. So it works for some, works for others. You know, I prefer the short one, but that's just my preference. Yeah, loading the crossbow, if you don't already know this, Scorpyd uses a locking nock, so it actually clips onto the arrow. So pretty much keep your hand up here, don't put your hand in front of the point, just in case accidents do happen. These are mechanical devices, so you know, there's always a possibility for something to go wrong. So keep your hands away from the path of the string, which we know it can't go past here. You know, in the event it would discharge, never heard of anything like that happening, but in the event it did, the most you're going to get is a little rug burn, and not a hole in your hand or missing fingers. So anyways, this is pretty much locked and loaded. It is on safe. I'm going to settle in. We're going to pause real quick. I'm going to settle in. I do want to mention, I've got a Tacticam sitting down there about 80 yards. And as soon as I learn how to edit videos and put the two together, it should make for some pretty cool downrange action. We'll see how those arrows are coming in at 80 yards. All right, pause, we'll be back. Right above it. Gotta love that. And just a reminder, we are shooting 80 yards. So it does take a minute to get there. Safety first. That one might have went a little to the right. That one. Oh. Got it! Holy crap. So, 3 arrows. That's all it took. See, they ain't bad. That's 80 yards. With a crossbow, mind you. But anyways, let's go down and take a look. I hope the Tacticam got that arrow coming in, because that would be a pretty cool, I'm assuming, perspective on the shot. Let's see how far it was coming down. I'm assuming they're coming down on a pretty steep angle, but we'll see. Well, as you can see, the arrow is still in the ball. It was pretty much a direct hit. You see this, obviously the first one, a little high. Second one, I was actually holding way over here because we have a wind coming out of the west. It's kind of anywhere from 5 to 15 mile an hour maybe at times. So it tends to make the arrows want to wander a bit. But anyways, yeah. Mind you, they're a little on the tough side to pull out of this bag here. But that'll just show you. Now I've shot this bow out, crossbow out to 100 plus yards with great success. Now I would never do that at an animal, a game animal, anything like that. This is purely for fun and to see if you can do it, you know, with practice and what have you. But me, for an ethical shot on a white-tailed deer, maybe 40 yards with that same crossbow, there's just too many variables once you get out to range. You know, the deer can move, jump. Yeah, I just prefer not to do that. So 40 yards is about my max on a crossbow, but it sure is fun to stretch them out and target shoot. So anyways, that's that for me. So 3 arrows, bolts, however you want to word it. This does actually have a knock though, so I say it's an arrow. We got it done out at 80 yards. So we might make another video, maybe get it out beyond, and who knows? Maybe we'll get up to the 120s, 140s, 150s. You never know, but I just might have to give it a try. All right, guys, gals. This is Steve, Michigan, of course. Yeah, have a good day. God bless.